So insight into the personal statement and sounding authentic without coming across as fake or fictitious. So again, thanks, Christopher, for the question. And the personal statement is, again, close to my heart, because when I was on the admissions committee, it was the first thing I read after reading the name of the applicant and where they were from, because I wanted to get a sense of who the person was and why they're applying to law school. So, so the best insight that I can give into the personal statement. First, I'm going to start with some advice, and that advice is 3 words: proofread, proofread, proofread. Make sure that your personal statement is proofread. So I, in my career, and that was 10 application cycles, read thousands of personal statements. And I read the majority of the personal statements were good to great. There were a percentage of personal statements that were not so good, and those were generally personal statements that were obviously not proofread. And anything that had, a proofreading mistake in the first paragraph was a pet peeve of mine. So make sure that you read your personal statement. Have a friend read your personal statement that doesn't necessarily have to have law school experience, but can be in tune to getting this perspective of you. And so how can you come across as sounding authentic and not fake? Well, don't write anything that's fake. Write your own story. Write why you want to go to law school. And it doesn't mean you necessarily have to have an aha moment. But, if you were having a conversation, if you and I, Christopher, were having the conversation right now, I'd ask why you want to go to law school. Cultivate that in your mind. Think about why you want to go to law school, and write some notes as you would be answering that question. And generally through those notes, you can come across a theme that you can write, 2 pages double-spaced, that will be a good to great personal statement.
Thanks for tuning into the show. Please subscribe if you haven't done so already to be notified of new episodes as I release them. And feel free to reach out if you need anything at all as you move forward with your prep. I'm happy to help however I can. In the meantime, I'll wish you all the best and take care.